Dreaming of working as a nurse in Germany? Well, here's your complete roadmap, step by step, made possible by SBS Dynamic Academy and our Nurses to Germany project. At SBS Dynamic Academy, we offer flexible online German language training from A1 to B2 level. Whether you're a student or a working nurse, our morning and evening batches let you learn at your convenience. Yes, you can attend both sessions if you wish. Our course takes about 8 to 9 months, and guess what? You get lifetime unlimited access, so you can revise, repeat, or switch between, and anytime. No extra charges. No limits. Once you complete your training and pass the Goethe Institute or TELC certification exam for B1 or B2, you move to the next stage, that is mock interviews with the German recruiter. These mock interviews are conducted by real recruiter from Germany to test your language fluency and professional skills. Nurses who perform well are shortlisted for the final round, the employer interview. Once you clear the employer interview, it's time to celebrate because you're selected. And from there, our team begins your digital migration process to Germany. We handle all paperwork, visa guidance, document verification, and pre-departure support step by step. You just focus on preparing for your new life and career in Germany. So what are you waiting for? Join SBS Dynamic Academy and Nurses to Germany and let your journey to Germany as a nurse begin today.